How to add music on BIGO Live. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music on your BIGO Live stream. BIGO Live is a popular live streaming platform where users can broadcast themselves, watch live streams, and interact with other users in a real time. Now to add music to your BIGO Live stream, first of all, you'll have to open your BIGO Live application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you reach to this home page, here at the bottom you will find various icons. Tap on that video icon at the center button below to start the live. You will reach to this section from where you can start your live stream. On this page, you can customize your live stream. Here at the top, you will find some options. Currently, it is set to public. You can tap on this arrow next to public. And at the bottom, select private option. As this is just a demo live. Once you have selected the private option, tap on that save button at the bottom to save it. Now your room has been changed to private. Now you can tap on this Go Live button to start your live streaming. Once you tap on this Go Live button, it will take you 3 seconds to start the live streaming. On this pop-up menu, tap on this Get It button. Now the live streaming has been started. At the bottom of this page, you will find various icons. Tap on these 3 horizontal lines at the bottom, and the pop-up menu will appear. In the list of these various options, tap on this music icon, and from the available playlist, find the music that you would want to add to your live streaming. Once you select the music, it will be start playing on the background. Now if you want to remove this music from your live streaming, you can tap on this music icon on this page, and from the list of menu, click on this power button to remove it. So in this way you can add music on BIGO Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.